So then the third one, baby, oh yeah, going downhill. Not even a contest. He kicked my butt, frontwards and backwards. This thing is fast, 1,300 horsepower. Woo! Jesus H, it's basically double the horsepower of my car.
Let the darkness take control.
What is up, Lambros? I wasn't going to vlog this, but now I'm vlogging this. We're on a little drive with the R8 crew here. A little Huracan. But dudes, this Heffner twin turbo. Heffner. Oh, you did good on this one. This thing is sick. Look at that exhaust. I don't even know what that is, but it's something important. The way they fuse that dump pipe into the other dump pipe, I don't really know. But Jesus H Christ, this thing's fast. So I was just telling Charlie, 2 times I got next to him and we hit it, and it was like not even a contest. Not even close. So then the third one, baby, oh yeah, going downhill. Not even a contest. He kicked my butt, frontwards and backwards. This thing is fast, 1,300 horsepower. Woo! Jesus H, it's basically double the horsepower of my car. I did not keep up at all. It wasn't even a thing. And then we got the Beamers back here hanging tight. These suckers are doing, I was going a lot slower, but these guys were doing like 150, 180. Especially this one. This guy right here, we couldn't even keep up because he was so far out in front of us. He ended up waiting for us at the front of the deal. Freaking fast, driving like a crazy man. I was, of course, keeping it under the speed limit, but the guy in the white Charger or Challenger, whatever that is, was speeding, man. If the police are out, I needed to find him because he was way ahead of everyone. Like most of us were going the speed limit, but not that guy. He was going real fast. So we're out at the dam. The dam. Charlie, who do you think won that competition?
Dude, I don't know. I think Joseph got us all beat.
Joseph? He was out front the whole time. We were all trying to obey the speed limit, and you got the one Asian guy that's trying to screw it up for everybody.
He did
out there in front.
He just did 5 miles per hour over the speed limit. But it was just so fast we couldn't even.
Oh my God! Seriously though, he's a speeder. You guys watch out for that guy. We're gonna hit 412 and go back to Tulsa, so I don't know what else is gonna happen, but I'll throw the camera on later. The truth is, we've been giving Joseph a little bit of crap because he's been falling behind, but we just told him, Joseph, take off, call us in 10 minutes, and then Charlie and I will come catch you.
I'll do 50 miles an hour. Under the speed limit.
Under the speed.
Under the speed limit.
Hold on, let's see if we can get this. He's speaking in another language. Hey, Khaled. Tell me what he's saying.
30 minutes he'll be here.
Oh, he said 30 minutes? That was American. Holy shit. All right, well, we're going to roll to, I guess, downtown Tulsa. And maybe I'll get some footage on the road. Maybe I won't, but we'll be back. Hey, I think these Indian guys that we're with are criminals or something.
I'm right here. Look, it's blue.
Oh.
I'm good.
He's good. Look. That's the police. That is the police. And who do you think they're after?
Not me.
Not me either. Oh, sure, you didn't do it.
I'm gonna stand on the Blue Lives Matter.
Blue Lives Matter. Do you think they got reports? They're circling. They're circling. We'll be back. Okay guys, we're on the road. The Heffner twin turbo is behind me. See, objects in here are losing. I don't know if you can read that. So, I kind of wanted to see if we could get some video of him coming by. So when we hit a spot here that's not construction, I'll have him get off and get past me, and we'll get some video of the sound of that Heffner twin turbo. There it is. Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo. I mean, wow. No competition. Thing is fast. So, alright. I don't think there's going to be any more action. So, thanks for watching. Check out Heffner twin turbo anything. Really good setup. Sounds amazing. And it was a beautiful, I don't know if you saw the video there. It has, oh, there's the radar, fake radar. The white, the way that they white capped everything, it looks freaking hot. So, thanks for watching. Later.